It sounds crazy, but women are often more drawn to men who seem like they don't care. Not in a toxic, dismissive way, but in a calm, detached, and self-possessed way that screams confidence, not desperation. That kind of man doesn't chase, doesn't beg, doesn't try to impress, and ironically, that is exactly what makes him so attractive. Number 1. Indifference shows emotional stability. There's a subtle power in being unmoved. In a world full of emotional overreactions and people desperate to prove their worth, the man who stays calm, who remains composed and in control of his emotions, immediately sets himself apart. When you don't crumble under emotional pressure, when you don't beg for validation or anxiously seek attention, you radiate something most men lack: groundedness. Women pick up on this fast. It's not about being cold or distant, it's about having such a deep sense of self-worth that you're not shaken by someone else's mood swings, tests, or silence. You become the man who can hold the emotional weight of the moment without being reactive. If she pulls away, you don't chase. If she's hot and cold, you stay steady. That kind of energy is powerful because it sends a message. I don't need to control anything outside of me. I'm good either way. And in a world where emotional volatility is the norm, your consistency becomes magnetic. It feels safe, strong, even rare. You become the eye of the storm, the calm center she can't help but be drawn to. Number 2. Nonchalance creates intrigue. One of the oldest truths in psychology is that people want what they can't easily have. When a man doesn't immediately express everything he thinks or feels, when he's not always available or constantly eager, he becomes a puzzle, and humans love puzzles, especially when it comes to attraction. Nonchalance doesn't mean being rude or indifferent to her feelings. It means you don't put her on a pedestal. You don't feel the need to rush, to overshare, or to constantly impress. You move with calm certainty. You laugh when she teases, but you're not shaken. You listen, but you don't always offer up your inner world like an open book. That mystery, that restraint, it draws her in. She starts wondering what you're thinking. She wants to know what makes you tick. You're not throwing all your cards on the table because you don't feel the need to. You know your value, and that quiet confidence creates tension, attraction, and intrigue. When a woman is around a man who isn't seeking her approval, she starts to wonder, why not? And once that question enters her mind, the dynamic shifts. She becomes the one leaning in. She starts seeking more of your time, your energy, your attention, because now you're not just another guy trying to win her over. You're a man she has to figure out. Number 3. Detachment shows. You have options. Let's be honest, people want what others want. It's human nature. And when a man is too eager, too available, or too invested too early, it sends the message that he doesn't have much going on outside of her. But when you're detached, when you're centered, focused, and not clinging, it implies that you have a full life. You have goals, you have purpose, and more importantly, you have options. This doesn't mean you flaunt other women or play games. It just means your energy is not completely wrapped around one person. You're not sitting by the phone, hoping she texts back. You're not cancelling your plans the second she's free. You're building your life. And when she sees that, she starts to respect your time more. She realizes that your attention is something to be earned, not something handed out like candy. That energy is rare. Most men flood women with attention the moment they show interest. But when you're detached, you give space. You allow her to come to you. And in that space, she begins to crave your presence. Your silence becomes louder than words. Your absence becomes noticeable, and suddenly she's the one chasing you, not because of manipulation, but because your energy speaks one powerful truth: I'm enough, with or without you. Number 4, not caring reinforces self-respect. A man who isn't afraid to walk away from what doesn't serve him is a man who respects himself, and self-respect is deeply attractive. When a woman sees that you don't tolerate disrespect, that you don't bend your boundaries for attention, and that you won't trade your dignity for validation, it communicates strength. Too many men put their pride aside just to keep a woman around. They ignore red flags, they accept breadcrumbs, they justify behavior that makes them feel small. But when you don't care in the sense that you're willing to lose her rather than lose yourself, you become a rare breed. You're not driven by fear of loss. You know that your peace, your energy, your time, they're all valuable, and you protect them. That kind of self-respect forces others to rise to your level. It inspires admiration, even from the same woman who might have tested your limits. When you show that you're not desperate, that you're willing to walk away if the situation doesn't honor your worth, it doesn't make you heartless. It makes you powerful, and in many cases, it's the very thing that makes her stay. Number 5. A detached man has purpose. There's something magnetic about a man on a mission. When your attention isn't consumed by a woman, it tells her that your life is filled with something bigger. Your passion, your goals, your grind. You're not just floating around, waiting for love to complete you. You're building, you're creating, you're chasing something that gives your life meaning. This is the heart of masculine energy, direction, and when you're detached from constant romantic validation, you redirect that energy toward your path. That drive is intoxicating. A woman sees that, and she knows she's not your whole world, and that's what makes her want to be part of it. You become less of a people pleaser and more of a man with a vision. You're not easily swayed. You're not sidetracked by flattery or games. You have your eyes set on something bigger, and if she wants to walk beside you, she has to meet you there. That frame of purpose transforms your presence. You stop being the guy who tries to win love, and you become the man who attracts it by living fully, freely, and fearlessly. Number 6. Indifference highlights high standards. A man who isn't constantly trying to win over a woman shows something rare. He has standards. He doesn't chase every opportunity for affection. He doesn't entertain situations that don't align with what he truly wants. And that restraint, that quiet refusal to settle, it sets him apart instantly. Because in a culture that encourages constant validation seeking, the man who can say, "I don't need this if it doesn't feel right," is uncommon. When a woman sees that you're not impressed by surface level attraction or temporary attention, she starts to wonder, what does impress you? She begins to realize that if you're giving her your time, it actually means something. That you're not just acting out of loneliness, lust, or boredom, but that you see value in her beyond just appearance or charm. Your attention becomes meaningful because it's not handed out freely. It's earned. And here's the twist. Women are drawn to men who make them level up. When you operate with high standards, not from arrogance, but from clarity, she starts to question how she can meet you where you are. She'll wonder how to be the woman that truly gets your full presence. That dynamic flips everything. You're no longer trying to get her. She's trying to keep your respect, and that changes the entire game. The truth is simple. When you stop chasing, you start attracting. When you shift your focus from trying to impress her to fully embodying who you are, everything changes. Women feel energy. They sense when a man is grounded, focused, and in control of his emotions. That kind of presence doesn't need to speak loudly. It doesn't need to seek approval. It silently commands attention and respect. So keep showing up as that man. The one who doesn't need validation to know his worth, the one who leads with calm, quiet confidence. Because at the end of the day, women don't want someone who bends for their approval. They're drawn to the one who stands tall, with or without it. If you're serious about becoming that kind of man, this is just the beginning. Hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a video that pushes you forward in your journey. Drop a comment below. Your thoughts, your experiences, or just one insight that stuck with you. Keep evolving, keep becoming, and remember, real power never begs, it attracts. Always.